Hi. Okay, we've created a simple cipher, and here's how our simple cipher worked. Imagine there was a message A, B, C, D, so message is A, B, C, D, and then we had a shift, and the shift was 1. What we would do is we would take our message and add 1 to each of the letters. A plus 1 becomes B, B plus 1 becomes C, C plus 1 becomes D, and D plus 1 becomes E. So our encoded message would be B, C, D, E. But now what we're doing is we're going to do something called a polyalphabetic cipher. So let me show you how that's going to work. Let's say our message is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All right? Our code word, we're going to assign a code word, and we're going to choose our code word as CAB. Now C would have a value of 2, because if you look at the alphabet, C has a value of 2. So C would have a value of 2, A would have a value of 0, and B would have a value of 1. Once we figure out those numbers, we will put those 3 numbers into our code list. So our code list will be a list of the values 2, 0, 1. Okay, now we'll take our encoded message. So our message is, our message is not CAB. Here's our message. Our message is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So let's see what we'll do for A. So we'll take A, here's A, and we will shift it by the first number, which is 2. So A plus 2 equals BC. So A plus 2 will become C, all right? And then the next letter in the message is B. So B, what will we shift it by? We will shift it by the second thing in our code list, so that's 0. So B plus 0 remains B. The third letter in our message is C. C will shift by a value of 1. C plus 1 becomes D. And now we keep going with our message. So we got the first 3 letters of our message, A, B, C. But now the next letter of our message is D, E, F, and G. So what are each of these going to be shifted by? Well, we've already done 2, 0, 1. See here? 2, 0, 1. So now we just start repeating them. Plus 2, plus 0, plus 1, plus 2. And then our message is done. So D plus 2 becomes F, EF. E plus 0 becomes E. F plus 1 becomes G, and G plus 2 becomes HI. So our encoded message, it's going to equal CBD, CBD, FE, GI. So the trick with the polyalphabetic cipher, because this is called the simple cipher, we did that already. This one's a simple. And this one is called a polyalphabetic cipher because it has multiple letters, poly, and then alphabetic, so you get letters, and then you convert the letters into numbers, you put the numbers into a list, and then we're going to use that list repeatedly, 2, 0, 1. 2, 0, 1, and you can encode a message of any length. So that's the polyalphabetic cipher, and that's what we're going to do in our next video.